Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to use document tabs to organize subpages inside a single Google Doc file. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Look at the left side of your document window to locate the document outline and tabs panel. If the left panel is hidden, click on the Show Document Outline icon in the top left corner to expand the sidebar interface. Click on the Tabs icon at the top of the left sidebar to view all active document tabs and subpages. Click the plus Add Tab button at the top of the Tabs panel to create a new tab section. A new blank tab page will instantly appear in your panel list, ready for fresh content entries. Double-click on the new tab title, or click the three dots icon next to it and select Rename to customize the tab label. Click the three dots icon next to any tab to select options like Duplicate, Delete, or Add Subtab to build nested subpages under main categories. Drag and drop tabs up or down the list panel to reorder your document sections and subpages into a clean, structural hierarchy. Click on any tab in the sidebar list to jump directly between your organized subpages without long scrolling. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.